Stop by and take a look at the 2025 A5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning, compass. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.